Hello, creative friends. If you got the Momigami Basic Kit, I want to go through that with you real quick. I'm just going to pull everything out. So when you get it, I would recommend just kind of carefully pull it all out. That way you can go through and make sure everything is here. I have double, triple checked everything, so everything really ought to be in there. Here is the list of papers. Here is Momigami Konnyaku sauce, the ingredients, what you need in order to mix the konnyaku, and then the instruction. Let's go through this. In your basic kit, you will have two of the konnyaku powders packets. And then this is a sample of a piece of the uh, Japanese paper that is here for the scroll. And I've used some black permanent ink on there after it's been momogamied. And I'll go through all of this in detail in the class. So going through the kit. For your konnyaku sauce, it says right on here, it's a fourth a teaspoon of the konnyaku. And it is a generous fourth a teaspoon. So you will need 3/4 cup of water, and you might need more. Again, we'll go through that on Friday when we mix everything. This is the paper you're going to use for your scroll. It is folded, but after we momogami and crumple it, you will not see those folds. This is, I think, a little bit over 3 feet long. It's Japanese paper, and it's right here on your list should you want the paper, should you want to be able to find it. And on Friday, I will show you all of the packets of the papers if you want to see it. I will also provide links to where you can purchase most of these papers. This is your scroll paper. I've also included the Lopta, and I have numbered them. So what I highly recommend is that you go through and you actually write on this piece of paper what each one of these things are. If you don't want to, you got your legend here. But I just thought it'd be helpful because once you momogami paper, you can't really tell what's what sometimes. So this is number 2, your Lopta paper. Number 3, this is your Japanese sketch rice paper. Number 4 is a Japanese rice paper. Number 5 is a tracing paper. And then I threw in a few bonuses for you guys. Number 6 is a deli sheet. Number 7 is a special mystery paper. You do not need konnyaku sauce on this. And on Friday and Saturday, I will reveal what this is and why it is so wonderful. And bonus points if you can guess what it is just by feeling or looking at it. And then I had to throw this in. This is a black piece of cardstock, and it does amazing things when you momogami it. So that is the basic kit. If you have any questions, let me know. Your legend is here, and for many of them, I will put links as to where you can get more of that paper. All right, looking forward to seeing you soon. Reach out if you have any questions. Bye-bye.